Here are the top 5 bizarre animal sounds you won't believe come from birds. Number 1. Australian Bustard. Is that a lion? Nope. Just a bustard doing his best king of the outback impression. Number 2. Greater Kukul. This bird laughs like it just heard the juiciest jungle gossip. Hoo hoo hoo. Number 3. Screaming Piha. This bird sounds like a rainforest burglar alarm. Number 4. Willow Ptarmigan. This bird cackles like it's auditioning for a cartoon sidekick role. Number 5. Satyr Tragopan. This bird bleats like a goat, high-pitched and weirdly intense.